Okay, today I'm just going to be walking around my house and because I get my day off school because I graduated. And here's my pretty turtle. Mainly I'll be playing with the animals. This is Angel, my cute kitty that I love. Hello, baby girl. So cute. You're so cute. Boop, boop, boop. She's got a collar saying her name. Yeah, I had my graduation yesterday, so I painted my nails, but I've been picking them off. They were white with glitters on them, but yeah. Kitty. Hello. You're so cuddly. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay. So as you can tell, it's Christmas. Yay. Well, yeah, just walking around. I'm gonna go out the laundry. Sorry, this video is pretty long, but yeah. I've got a pretty big yard, but my favourite place to be when I'm sad or in moods is my chicken pen. There's Gertrude, Henrietta. Yeah, chucks. Look at them all run, it's so cute. Ducks. That's Penny, Gertrude, Crystal, Bambi, Cuddles. There's my little Etta, Fleur. That's actually a chicken, not a rooster. Etta, where you going? Okay, hello. I can see you, Etta Bear. And we're quite the bird family. We've got little birds. These are our budgies. My little swing, this is random. This is our chicken garden because these are good for our food. Chickens. I don't know what I'm saying. So out here, more chickens, but these ones we have to separate because they keep hogging the chicken laying boxes. Chucks! What are you doing? Oh, little flossy girl. Where's Pickles? Hey, ducks! Where's my little Pickles and Rangy? Oh, shush, girls, I know. We have 2 little chickens, but I don't know where they are. Where you at, little chickens? Look at them all come through the gate. Hello, Fleur. Coming in? There's Marmalade sitting down there. She can't walk. We don't know what happened. What are you doing? Little flissy girl? You want some grass? And some grass. Yummy. More. Nice. That's Big Misty. She's big. But cuddly. Jenny, what are you doing? Excuse me. I got to get her back inside. So, what was that? What even is that? I don't like it. Okay. So this is our house. Crazy animal family. Okay, bye.